My name is Allie and I'm a parent of 3 with 1 on the way. We'd been using bento boxes for a number of years, different brands. The gasket didn't close all the way, find little spots that you could never get out. When we found this one, we fell in love with the design, the functionality, the materials, everything about it.
Over the years, we've learned a lot about baby products. There are a couple different challenges that moms go through when they're picking and using bento boxes. The silicone gasket is the part that goes around the lid. When that doesn't get removed and washed over time, it grows mold and it gets really yucky. But with this design, it gets rid of that problem. Cleaning is very easy with FLEX&LOCK. You just simply remove the silicone tray and then wash it in the dishwasher. Insert the plate in, and you close the lid, and that's it. We're using all BPA-free materials. This is all made out of platinum silicone. It is the top of the line within the food-grade silicone. This alone can be used as a silicone plate, which is also very useful and versatile.
As a new mom, I didn't know much about products and what were in our products. It's BPA and phthalate free, which is very important to us, that we know that we're getting a safe product that doesn't have anything added into it.
Kids can decorate their own lunchbox. It will make kids' mealtime so much more fun because they decorated it.
My daughter especially, she can design her lunchbox for that day, and she absolutely loves playing with the little charms. This goes in the dishwasher, it goes in the microwave, it can even go in the oven. Everything you know is super high quality.
I'm really excited for this project to be funded as soon as possible so we can get this product in customers' hands. We truly feel that this is going to make kids' mealtime much easier and solve a lot of moms' headache of preparing meals.
I am so excited that this product is on Kickstarter. The FLEX&LOCK bento box should be in everybody's household. I can't wait for other moms to find it for the ease of use. And for those busy mamas, get those lunches ready ahead of time.
Thank you, FLEX&LOCK.